Today I'm going to show you how to take the memory out of your laptop. First thing you need to do is you need to turn the laptop over, take the case out on the back. I needed a little Phillips screwdriver. Once the case is out, here's the memory card. These two little metal holders right there, you need to push those out. Once you push those out, your memory card will pop up. Then you go ahead and just pull it out, and that's the memory card. To put it back in, go ahead and place it exactly the same way. So it's up, then push it down till it locks in, and it's locked in. Thank you very much.